The fourth level of organization is organ level. Tissue plus tissue equals to organ. It means at the organ level, different types of tissues are joined together. So, organs are structures that are composed of two or more different types of tissues having specific functions, and they usually have recognizable shapes. The examples of organs are lungs, heart, stomach, skin, bones, and brain. If we talk about stomach, then it contains muscle tissue, which is made up of muscle cells, which allows it to change its shape. And it also contains epithelial tissue, which lines both the inner and outer surface of the stomach. It means stomach is an organ which is made up of two different types of tissues, that is muscle tissue and epithelial tissue, that are working together to perform their specific functions.